Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. It's just my trade journal, and I'm all about rule-based price action trading. My daily affirmation: I see it and understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible and outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. So we've got price action, order flow levels, Wednesday, August 23rd. And what's the big thing that's going to move the markets is after the close, NVIDIA earnings. So that is real important because on a capitalized weighted basis of the S&P 500. So I'm going to be done with trading for sure before noon Eastern Standard. What I've got here is a 15-minute benchmark. You can see from the previous video that we had yesterday, our previous video talked about the upper levels on the upper rectangle yellow daily fair value gap and the July 10th new week open, those railroad red lines. So yeah, price hit it and then went down. So where we're at right now is we're in the middle of the upper daily fair value gap, which we never rebalanced or repriced fully. And we are in between, bouncing around two 15-minute fair value gaps. And then below it, we still have a fair value gap that we just left where we were pricing around the PM price action. London is 44.55 and the New York midnight open comes in at 44.11.25, and those are the levels that I want to see at least revisited, if not breaking down lower. I've gotten a price objective at least 410.75 today in the AM. I'm anticipating possibly price gets up to the blue line at the top, which is the August 22nd RTH, the prior day open for the RTH session, 44.2750. So that kind of wraps it for my benchmark. I want to go real quick and we'll do the 24-hour charts. Let's go to those next. Okay, each of the bars here represents one full 24-hour session. Far left, NASDAQ, middle, S&P, ES, many, and on the far right, the belle of the ball is dollar DXY. Look at this rally we're in right now. So that's going to put a damper on any equity rally, at least if we sustain this rally into the RTH open. Currently, the dollar's pushing up to 104. It's 103.9 right here as I speak. Again, the muted, it looks to me like the equity indices want to go up, but this higher dollar really is not going to allow that to happen if we keep screaming up. So that's my basic outline on the 24 hours. I've already given you on the intro portion on the benchmark where I think the levels are going. We hit a low prior day of right around 43.95. So that would be a drawn liquidity for today's session if we were going to go into lows for today. And then again, I told you my immediate price target would be 44.10, maybe 44.10 and 3/4. I want to go to the Renko next, so let's get to the next chart. Okay, here we are with the Renko chart. So what I'm looking again always is the Keltner level. So upper blue Keltner is right up where we hit on the highs of the prior day, new week open gap zone. So that's coming in right now, 44.36.5. And where we're at right now is, again, we talked about the 15-minute fair value gap, but the red Keltner, okay, that's the confluence level, which I talked about, 44.11.75. And what's that confluent to? New York midnight open, previous PM high from prior day, and London is just above it at 44.15. So yeah, I definitely think that is doable. Keep in mind that the August 21st RTH open and low of the 22nd prior day was 43.95. So that's a stretch goal for the low But what I'm right now just immediately targeting is New York Midnight Open on this red Renko. That's it. I appreciate you guys stopping by and taking a look here at the charts. Aloha and take care. Bye.